What's up everybody, it's your man Gillis the Kid. I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to be showing you the OnePlus 6T on the T-Mobile network. So let's get started. Now OnePlus, when the company first came out, they were basically known for their higher end specs for a very, very low price. So basically this phone is sort of comparable to like a Samsung Galaxy S9, but we're going to take a look at it. This is what the box looks like. You got OnePlus 6T right there on the side. They got the OnePlus logo right there at the top. On the other side, they have it says unlock the speed. And let's take a look at the specs real quick. On the back of the box, we got T-Mobile right here. This phone is exclusive to T-Mobile, for now at least. And so it has the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. We've got a 6.4 inch HD display, Super AMOLED. There's a 16 megapixel front-facing camera with a 20 megapixel on the back. It's got a 3700 milliamp non-removable battery. It features fast charging. T-Mobile only offers the 128 gig in midnight black. It also has 8 gigs of RAM with Oxygen OS based on Android Pie right out of the box. So let's take a look at this. All right, OnePlus 6T. Now, oh wow, look at this. Look at that. It's like a shiny black to it. We can get rid of this shit. And oh yeah, let me peel that off too. Boom. You got your OnePlus in the back. That's the camera. We're going to get to that in a second. I like the feel of this. It's curved. It's a little narrow. They got the little teardrop at the top. They also give you a screen protector that's already applied to the device. Right here, you will see that it has an in-screen fingerprint sensor. OnePlus claims that it's the fastest in-screen fingerprint sensor on the market, but we're going to test that out. Let's pop this. Let me see. Oh, we got, okay, so this is what they've added. Bigger display. It's curved, feel really good in your hands. And so here's the thing now. OnePlus removed the headphone jack. There's no more headphone jack. They do have the USB typeC as always. This is the power button. We're going to power that on. They also have like the do not disturb button right there. You got your SIM tray and your volume up and down on the left. Oh, nice. Let's remove this too. T-Mobile. All right, so, this is just the basic stuff that they use. We're going to go through that. What's this? User experience. Okay. Push notifications. We can skip this. I don't have my SIM card in yet, but I do have my Wi-Fi. We're going to put that in. Let me do that in a second. Let's see. Let me see if I can remember my Wi-Fi password. All right. Okay, good. We're in. I'm surprised I remembered it. Now, while this boots up, OnePlus, they give you a case inside the box. Let's look at that for a minute. So, let me see what they give you here. What the heck is this? Oh, yeah, we gotta open it. Now the screen protector is already on the device, and so what's this? Look at that. Very nice. So they give you a case right out of the box. That's a major go for OnePlus. Now in here you're going to get your USB typeC charging cable. That's USB type-C right there. And then inside they have the dongle for the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and you get your fast charging brick. It's got a OnePlus logo on it right there. Very, very nice. Way to go, OnePlus, on that one. All right, so let's continue with the device. We can skip all this for now. Let's see. Feels really good in the hand too. Okay, so this is now this phone features face and fingerprint, of course. I'm not going to set that up right now. Let's see. More. Now we're not going to add face. Now this is, I do want to show you this because OnePlus claims that, you know, it's the fastest on the market. So we have to set a pin first. Let me do that real quick. We have to set a pin first and then put our fingerprint on there. So we've got the fingerprint prompt set up. And there's a light underneath the display. You got to be a little sensitive. I'm going to put my thumb on here first. As you can see, it's right there. And we're just going to keep applying our entire thumb on the device. Yeah, see, like if you move it too fast, it'll say, all right. Now I guess they want the edge. Yeah, you got to get the whole edge of your thumb here. Now as I'm doing this, there is a little haptic feedback that they give you. We got to completely cover it all. There we go. Now, of course, I'm going to add more later. I just wanted to show you how it works. So we're going to hit next. Looks like they do have some bloatware on here, though. They have screen calibration, so they have adaptive mode and, you know, like different color options. So let's just go to next. There's the font. Okay, never settle. All right, we got T-Mobile right there at the top, ready to go. I got my Wi-Fi on. This is looking very, very nice. It's really, really snappy. Let's see, we got OnePlus. I like the operating system. You can swipe up, swipe down. Very fast. Let's try a fingerprint scanner. Now the device is off, and now we have our on-screen display. So I'm just going to hit it like that. We're gonna touch the screen. Oh, okay. Oh wow, that was fast. That was super fast. Let's try that again. So we got that. Wow. That was really fast. Let's try it one more time. Here we go. Boom. Wow. That's amazing. So let's take a look at some of the specs here. Now, like I said, it has a 6.4 inch, I'm sorry, AMOLED display. It's got a 1080 by 2340 pixels. It's got face unlock. You've already seen how fast this fingerprint scanner is. Super, super fast fingerprint scanner. It's got Oxygen OS on Android Pie. It's got the same processor as the Samsung Galaxy S9, the 845 octa-core processor with an Adreno of 630. It's got 128 gigabytes of storage with 8 gigs of RAM. That is a major, major go. Let's take a look at the storage right here. Now look at that, 128 gigs. Nice. There's no micro SD card slot. Some people say this device is unlocked, but you know, I've only seen it work on like Project Fi and Metro PCS. I haven't tried my AT&T SIM card yet. But right here on the front, let's take a look at this camera though. Let me see. Oh wow, nice. So the camera's pretty nice. It's got a let me see if I can switch that around. Ooh. Wow, look at that. And that's the this is the front-facing camera. This isn't even a rear camera, and it's really crystal clear. Wow. That's crazy. Now, on the front, it's got the 16 megapixel Sony 1.7 aperture camera. And on the back here, I'm going to show you, it's got the double lens there. On the back, it's got the 20 megapixel 1.7 aperture Sony lens. They all have optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization. They shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. It's got something called Pro mode. Well, this is the video. It's photo. It's got portrait mode with the depth effect. They got something called like nightscape that you can use for like nighttime photos. And you get all this for like $580. Like, you can't beat that. Even the Google Pixel don't have all this stuff. Look at that. You get Pro mode, portrait, time lapse, panorama, and the night. Like, this is a major go. You know, the Google Pixel wanted, what, $900? $580, and you get all this stuff in your camera. And, oh, the battery. It's got a 3,700 milliamp battery. That's going to give you about 8 hours a day, depending on the different person and their usage. It's got the fast charging ability right there with the USB typeC. Now, it doesn't have an official water resistant rating, but from some of the videos I've seen, this phone is technically water resistant, so you don't have to worry about any like splashes and stuff like that. Now, the phone that you can get from OnePlus, I think it features like dual SIM capabilities, like if you travel a lot. So, you know, with that phone, you can use it on, you know, like other carriers and stuff like that. I think Verizon sell this phone too, but, you know, they do have that option of the dual SIM, and there is another option of a 256 gig. But I can't wait to test out this video quality and this camera. And yeah, there is some like T-Mobile like bloatware right there. Not too much. Not like it used to be back in the day with the Samsung phones and the I forget what they call their operating system. Oh, TouchWiz. TouchWiz was very like loaded with bloatware. But this phone is definitely a major go. It's super fast. This is a beast. And it's a bargain. T-Mobile is running a promotion. Like if you have like an old OnePlus or... I'm going to drop it down into the description. There's a couple of phones you can trade in and they give you like a certain amount of money off. I'm going to drop everything down into the description so you don't have to worry. And like I said, they give you this nice case. Let me put this on. Got a screen protector and a case. Way to go, OnePlus. Look at that. Look how that looks. Very nice. OnePlus 6 for T-Mobile. That's a major, major go. Man, you know, this is the future though. This is what it's gonna come to. Like, who's gonna pay $1,000 for a phone when you can get this with all the features, updated processor, great camera, all for $580? Way to go. That's a major go right there. But, you know, that's all I have for now. You know, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. You know, do you like the OnePlus? Or are you going to stick with like Samsung and Apple? Let me know. I'm going to have some more videos coming up pretty soon. I'm going to test out the camera and the battery life. And I will have some more videos on this OnePlus coming up pretty soon. Look how fast this is though. Super fast. That's amazing. I can't get over that. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I love you all. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.